Hi, this is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. In this video, we are going to take a look at Printful's print-on-demand coffee mug. If you are new to print-on-demand, Printful is a print-on-demand company where you can upload your designs and add them to various products. With Printful, you can connect to your online store whether you are hosting it on your own WordPress website using WooCommerce or on a platform like Shopify. You can even sell your products on an online marketplace like Etsy. In the description below, I will leave a link to where you can get started with Printful. Next, I'm going to show you a close-up view of Printful's all-over print mug with black color on the inside. Okay, so here's the package that my mug came in. So I've already unwrapped it, but then I put it back in the package so you can see what it looks like. So here at the top, there's just a, you just kind of unhook it here and then just bringing it out, just turning it around here. And then here at the side, there's just some kind of where the cardboard hooks into each other. And then it just comes across here, comes apart here, and you can see the mug. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this packaging here. So here's the mug. This is the white ceramic mug with color on the inside by Printful. So looking at the inside here, you have the option choosing between 6 different colors. This includes black, red, orange, green, pink, and yellow. And then the colors on the inside, and then it's also here on the handle. This mug comes in one size, the 11 ounce. Printful also offers just a plain white ceramic mug that comes in 15 ounces. So if you're looking for a little bit larger size, you'll have to go with the plain white ceramic mug versus the one with the color on the inside. This mug is dishwasher and microwave safe. So just showing you, I've put just a monogram letter here on this side, and then just did the same for the back side as well. And definitely you can see it's just a nice solid print here. It looks really nice with the black handle and the black image. It just looks really nice. So I definitely recommend this. I think this is a cool style, having the color on the inside and on the mug handle as well. So definitely like how this mug looks for this. Thank you for watching this video where we looked at Printful's print-on-demand coffee mug. In the description below, I will leave a link to where you can get started with Printful. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from Lemon Paper Lab. See you next time.